Hi friends, welcome to Real Estate University. Today I'll tell you about art of selling real estate. How you can become a selling champion, a selling machine, a money machine in real estate business. In this video I'll tell you 6 important points that can help you to increase this art inside you as a real estate entrepreneur. It doesn't matter that whether you are a builder, a developer, a marketing agency owner, an agent, a broker, or a channel partner. You have to develop the skill of selling. And for developing the skill, you require certain points. And those points I'll cover in this entire video. So watch this video till the end. I am Dr. Amol Mourya, real estate coach, real estate trainer, real estate author, and entrepreneur. Author of book Real Estate Game Changers, a national bestseller book. Now, first and most important point, if you really want to master the skill of selling in real estate industries, understand local market. Real estate is not a monopolistic market that a single player is working in all the states or all the cities. There are different players working in different cities. There were different local expectations of the clients. As a real estate selling person, you have to understand the demand of the local market. You have to understand the consumer buying behavior in that local market. If you can identify the pulse of the market, if you can identify that in which direction the market is moving, if you can identify what is the latest trend going on in your market, is the demand for the affordable housing is more, is the demand for the premium housing is more, luxury housing is more, demand for the plots is more, you have to identify that first. The moment you identify everything about your local market, then you can represent yourself as an expert in suggesting people a very good property that can help them in growing their investment, that can help them in solving the problem of buying a good residential home as well. Second, build personal connections. Most of the time, what people lack is they work in real estate industry in a robotic way. They don't develop personal connections. The moment you lack the ability of developing personal connections, you cannot convert a lead into a client, a final client. You cannot close a deal. A lead is someone who only knows few things about your project. That is also a hot lead knows something about your project. A cold lead knows nothing about your project. So the moment you start converting your cold lead into warm and then a hot lead, and then you start a process of real estate calling, follow-up, site visit, closing, the most important part is building connections. The moment you are able to build a good connection with your client, the chances of closing the deal increases. And it only happens when you know the art of making connection, when you know rapport building. You have watched the video till point number 2. Before moving to point number 3, I want to request you to please hit on subscribe button and bell icon, because we don't want you to miss important upcoming videos and the past important videos. Third, very important thing is legal knowledge. Nowadays, people want to buy from someone who is a smart person, who knows about the local market, who knows about document, who have the knowledge and the information related with the project, related with the sanctioning of the project, related with the legal documentation. Then and only then people trust you. So if you want to become a selling machine, if you want to become an expert in real estate selling, then you must have at least small legal knowledge which is required to convey to a client during site visit or during closing. Fourth important point is creating personal brand. Friend, it is very important now. You must create your personal brand. People must know about you. Or at least you must have a professional Facebook page or an Instagram page or a good LinkedIn profile, so that people can see about your experience. So personal brand creates a very big impact. My dear friends, understand this, that if people want to inquire about you, they'll only search on Google, they'll only search on YouTube, they'll only search on Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. Nowadays, people are not free to contact people in your city and then they'll inquire about this person. So having a personal brand is very important. Creating a value-added content is very important if you really want to become a good sales champion. Fifth point is negotiation skills. You cannot become a sales champion until and unless you become an expert in negotiation. Your client have certain expectations. You have certain limitations. The difference between expectation and limitation is your negotiation skill. With the help of a good negotiation skill, you can bridge that gap and you can close the deal at a particular point. So if you really want to become a sales champion, you have to learn the skill of negotiation in the real estate industry. Sixth is customer relationship management. Now, your deal won't stop at a point where you take token from a client. It's a way of developing a relation with the client. So the moment you give good services in terms of documentation, in terms of master file, in terms of helping them in loans and all, then and only then the client goes for an agreement and a confirmed deal. So in the real estate industry, just taking a token for booking is not the confirmed deal. The confirmed deal is when you keep good relation, when you maintain relationship with your client, when your client does an agreement or sell it, then you get your incentive or commission. So when you want to become a sales champion, you must learn the art of maintaining relation, the art of customer relationship management. And if you want to learn all these things in depth and in detail, we run a program which is known as Real Estate Game Changer Champion Program. For inquiry of that program, you can contact on the board line number, or you can fill a form in the description where you will get an information related with Real Estate Game Changer Champion Program, where we help a normal person in the real estate industry to become a real estate champion in the next 90 days, that how he can grow his skill and become a real estate sales champion. So thank you so much for liking our content. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Thank you so much for hitting that bell icon so that we don't want you to miss even a single notification related with the important upcoming videos. Thank you so much for the love and support. We'll meet you in the next video.